Hi guys, and welcome to this Model Engineers Workshop. I'm the chef. Today, just a little interim video, just a little in-between normal video piece, just to let you all know that the channel has made now 250 subscribers. That's wonderful. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. It makes it all worthwhile that people are finding what I'm doing interesting. As much as I like it, it's not everybody's cup of tea, I know. So please keep watching. There's more to come. The locomotive has been started. We're really getting into the interesting stuff now. Anybody else watching this, if you aren't already a subscriber, please think about it. Subscriptions do absolutely nothing for me. I'm not earning anything, but it's the motivational factor. I'm getting on faster with the loco now than I have since I started building this, which was 5-6 years ago now. Because as I say, being a working man, I don't get many hours in the workshop as it is, but when I'm out here, especially if I've got to make a video or I'm making a video, then it just gives it that little bit more of a push to get me out here. And I thank you all for that. So again, 250 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much. I'll be back again soon with another video on the usual day, Sunday at 12 o'clock in South Australia. And I'll call it quits at that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again, guys. Bye for now.